The Competition Commission of India, founded in 2003 and fully operational by 2009 under the Competition Act 2002, regulates their competition in India's market. It operates under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and CCI's main functions are to prevent anti-competitive practices, regulate mergers, protect consumer interests, and ensure free trade. The amendments such as the 2009 and 2023 Act have refined its power to meet evolving market needs, especially in digital economies. Key challenges include digital businesses complexity, staffing constraints, regulatory delays, judicial limitation, and enforcement issues, highlighting the need for updated competition frameworks. Competition Commission of India. The Competition Commission of India, constituted under the Competition Act 2002, serve as India's principal competition regulator. It was officially formed on October 14, 2003 and operational since May 2009. The Competition Commission of India functions as a statutory body under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs with its headquarters in New Delhi. The Competition Commission of India was established in the response to the economic liberalization of 1991 with a mandate to enforce competition laws, foster a competitive market, and prevent anti-competitive practices. Replacing the outdated MRTP Act of 1969, the Competition Commission of India aligns India's competition laws with global standards following recommendations from the Raghavan Committee. Objectives: preventing anti-competitive agreements, curbing abuse of dominance, promoting healthy competition, safeguarding consumer interest, and ensuring freedom of trade. With a budget allocation of Rs 756.19 crore for 23-24, the Competition Commission of India regulates the market through measures such as investigating anti-competitive practices and approving mergers and acquisitions. Competition Commission of India composition. The Competition Commission of India, established under the Competition Act of 2002, is the central regulatory authority for promoting fair competition. It comprises a chairperson and 6 members appointed by the central government, ensuring diverse expertise essential for regulating market competition. Appointment to the Competition Commission of India require a minimum of 15 years of professional experience in areas like international trade, finance, or law, with members serving a 5-year term. Competition Act 2002. The Competition Act 2002, enacted by the Indian Parliament, provides a robust legal framework to foster and sustain competition in India's market economy, effectively replacing the outdated Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act of 1969. Officially enforced from May 2009, the Act was introduced in phases to align with India's economic liberalization. Prevent anti-competitive practices. The Act aims to eliminate practices such as collusion, price fixing, and market allocation that adversely affect competition, ensuring a level playing field for businesses. Regulate abuse of dominant position. It defines and prohibits abuse by dominant firms, preventing them from exploring market power through unfair tactics like predatory pricing or limiting production to harm competition. Control mergers and acquisitions. The Act ensures that mergers and acquisitions that could harm competition or create monopolies are closely scrutinized and regulated to maintain market dynamics. Enhance consumer welfare. By fostering competition, the Act promotes consumer interest, ensuring that consumers benefit from lower prices, better quality products, and improved services. Key provisions. Section 3 prohibits anti-competitive agreements. Section 4 addresses abuse of dominance. Section 5 and 6 set guidelines for regulating a combination, mergers and acquisition, and Section 19 empowers the Competition Commission of India to conduct investigation into anti-competitive practices or initiate suo motu inquiries. Competition Amendment Act 2009. The Competition Amendment Act 2009 was enacted to amend the Competition Act 2002, coming into force on October 14, 2009. This act made significant changes, particularly to Section 66 of the Competition Act. It omitted the existing provision and explanation in subsection 1 and replaced the phrase concerning the 2-year expiry with a reference to the commencement of the 2009 amendment. Additionally, it clarified that all pending cases relating to losses under the Repeated Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act 1969 would be included. Pending cases of unfair trade practices before the National Commission would be transferred to the for adjudication as if the previous act had not been repealed. Furthermore, the act repealed the Competition Amendment Ordinance 2009 but ensured that any actions taken under the ordinance remained valid under the amended Act. Competition Amendment Act 2023. The Competition Amendment Act 2023 was introduced to strengthen the Competition Act 2002, addressing the evolving dynamics of modern markets, particularly in the digital economy. The amendment aims to enhance the effectiveness of competition law in tackling contemporary challenges. Key updates include a streamlined merger review process to reduce delays in approvals while maintaining effective regulation of anti-competitive practices. It also increases penalties for violation, thereby deterring anti-competitive behavior. The amendment focuses on digital market, addressing issues such as data accessibility and network effect, and improves procedural efficiency within the Competition Commission of India by clarifying investigation processes and timelines. Additionally, it grants the CCI enhanced power to investigate anti-competitive practices, particularly in the digital space, and emphasizes consumer protection by ensuring fair market practices. Competition Commission of India function. The Competition Commission of India (CCI) serves as the primary regulatory authority responsible for enforcing the Competition Act 2002. Its functions are crucial for maintaining a competitive market environment in India, promoting consumer welfare and preventing anti-competitive practices, promoting fair competition and consumer protection. The CCI prevents anti-competitive practices like price fixing and collusion, ensuring competitive pricing and quality to protect consumer interest, maintaining market freedom. It restricts unfair practices by dominant players, safeguarding a level playing field and reviewing mergers and acquisitions to prevent monopolistic control. Investigation and penalties. The CCI conducts inquiry into violation, imposes penalties on offenders, and promotes awareness of competition law through training programs. Advisory and collaborative role. The CCI provides advisory opinions on competition matters to government bodies and collaborates with other regulators to ensure consistency with the competition laws. Competition Commission of India challenges. The Competition Commission of India (CCI) encounters significant challenges in enforcing competition laws and manufacturing market fairness. These obstacles include internal constraints and external factors impacting its regulatory efficacy. Evolving business models. The rapid expansion of digital platforms challenges the CCI as existing laws focused on traditional market metrics inadequately address issues like data access and platform dominance. Adjudication delays. Persistent delays in adjudication erode public trust with only one order issued under Section 26(1) in 2022-23, allowing anti-competitive practices to persist. Judicial and jurisdictional challenges. Judicial limitations such as the Delhi High Court's ruling on patent violation restrict the CCI's enforcement capabilities. Leadership and policy gaps. Leadership vacancies and the absence of a national competition policy have further constrained the CCI's operational capacity. Enforcement hurdles. Despite imposing penalties totaling Rupee 18,351 crore since 2011, only Rupee 425 crore (2.3%) has been collected, with companies exploiting the lack of mandatory pre-deposit requirements for appeals. Need for updated regulatory framework. The proposed Digital Competition Bill raises concerns about adequacy in managing digital challenges, risking a rise in cases without a clear policy direction, especially given the absence of an NCP. Competition Commission of India way forward. To strengthen its role and effectiveness, the Competition Commission of India can focus on timely enforcement, modernize competition laws for digital market, integrate sustainability, increase public awareness, and collaborate internationally to adopt best practices. Strengthening enforcement. The CCI should prioritize timely investigation and action against anti-competitive practices, utilizing technology for enhanced data analysis and case management, modernizing competition laws, amending the Competition Act to reflect contemporary business models, particularly in digital market, will help address new challenges effectively. Supporting sustainability, the CCI can interpret laws to encourage eco-friendly business practices, fostering collaboration that support sustainable development goals without breaching competition laws, raising public awareness. Comprehensive campaigns on competition laws can aid businesses in understanding compliance and reducing accidental violation, enhancing international collaboration. Partnering with global regulatory bodies can help the CCI adopt best practices and tailor strategies to the Indian market.